guys, today is June 8, 2019 and today magmumukbang tayo guys ng mangga. This is an apple mangoes and this is very yummy because this is ripe. So imumukbang natin guys kung kaya ba nating ubusin ang manggang ito. 2468. So this is an 8 pieces of apple mangoes. I-try natin imukbang guys kung kaya ba. Simulan na natin guys ang ating masarap na kainan. So wala tayong ibang gamit guys kundi kamay lang. Malinis na kamay at magandang mukha. So far so good. Okay guys, it is very sunny today and the humidity is very up. So meron akong fan over there. Ano ba ako? So, now we will start for our apple mangoes mukbang. This is an apple mangoes mukbang, guys. And look, oh. Look. This apple mango is quite ripe. So, simulan na natin, guys. Saan ba dito? Saan ba dito? Okay. Tingnan natin guys kung kaya ba. Kung kaya ba nating kainin. Okay? Katatapos ko lang nag-breakfast guys. Oh. Sige. We are going to start our apple mangoes mukbang. Okay? So ito. Meron akong dito guys. Kasi wala talagang ibang ginagamit guys. Kamay lang. Kamay. Okay? Ito simulan na natin guys. Meron akong guys, rubbish rubbish can or bucket. So dyan ko lang ilagay. Sobrang tamis niya guys. Pero ang mukha ko parang naasiman. Pero tamis siya. Noong bata pa ako, ito yung kain kami ng mangga na walang knife. Wala. Lang kasi sa puno ng sa province kasi maraming puno ng mangga na free lang. You can eat everything. Yun before. Down. Sige. Clap. Next. Wow. Kaya ko pa ba? Para akong baliw guys. Ako lang yung mag-isa. Tawa-tawa. Pangalawa na ito ha. Di ko lang yan kakainin ng Kamay nyo guys, pag wala kayong knife at saka makapasbay kayo ng mangga na libre na pwede nyo kainin, huwag nang mag-arti-arti guys. Gamitin nyo ang mga kamay nyo. Ano bang purpose na meron tayong kamay? Diba? Para kahit sa mang laban, pa rin. Panalo pa rin tayo. So ito na guys. Di ko lang dito. Like Manny Pacquiao ba? Chuk, chuk, chuk. Ay, naku Lord. Number 3. Kunin ko muna itong parang na-overripe siya ng konti. Pero okay siya. Gracias sa Diyos. Number 3. Hello na talaga, guys. Matamis siya, guys, pero kaso lang, ang mukha ko lang parang maasim. Ang mukha ko parang maasim, pero ang mangga, matamis siya talaga, guys. Matamis. Sobrang tamis, 100%. Pwede pa siyang 200% matamis. Number 3 na ito, guys.
Years later.
We have our
This morning, so we interrupt my mango mukbang. So guys, I just finished 3 mangoes, and I have given the 2 mangoes to our visitors. And now I shall continue, if I can. This is number 4.
Lifestyle vlogs. Filipina living in Switzerland, Camacho. Shout out to Sharon Sueta. Shout out to Milin Kahulugan. Shout out to Mai Yukoy. Shout out to Kois Dok. Shout out to Gracias Vlogs. And shout out to sino pa? Asan pa? Shout out to Lucas Party. Shout out to Ingo Now Buddy. Shout out to Kanarin Beauty. Shout out to Simply CM. Shout out to Ate Rose Vlogs. Shout out to Oma the Explorer. Oma the Explorer. Shout out to all of my subscribers. Lahat-lahat kayo, sinama ko kayo sa aking pagmumukbang ng mangga. So this is number 5, okay? Five mangoes. That's enough. Shout out to Rahim Bacha. Shout out to Bangki. Sino pa? Shout out to Queen Irene. Shout out to Chelsea Farm. Shout out to Grace Koliwensky family. Shout out to Maze Vlogs, Rolian. Shout out to Jun Alfanta. Shout out to everybody. Mabuhay po tayong mga YouTuber. Okay, thank you for watching to my channel, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta, guys, ng aking channel. So, sa 8 mangga, guys. So, yung 8 apple mangoes, ang naubos ko ay 5. Kasi may bisita, binigay ko ang 2. Kala ko maubos ko ang 6. So, ito may naiwan. Di ko na kaya. 5 mangoes inside my tummy is alright. I think my sugar goes up to 1,000. Okay. Bye! Have a good time!